Does your brain ever feel like 37 tabs are open all at once? This is your moment to close them, one circle at a time. Welcome to Healing Hues, where colors, shapes, and mindfulness meet for a gentle digital detox. I'm Sana Asad, founder of Wild About Art Studio based in Bahrain, and today we will paint intuitive circle inspired by Kandinsky, an artist who believed every color had a soul, and by the protective symbolism of blue eye, a reminder to guard our energy in a noisy digital world. You don't need any fancy materials, just watercolor or mixed media paper, a few round objects to trace, and 3 to 5 calming hues: blues, violet, teal. I'm starting with random colors, whatever comes in my mind, and in front of me I have circles and ink, watercolor palette, as well as acrylic paints. So let's begin with this exercise. Keep your space quiet. This is not about perfection, it's about slowing down the rhythm. From swipes and scrolls to strokes and circle. Before you begin, you can also start with a light meditation. Breathe in deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Whisper your intentions. I release the noise. I return to presence. I have my circles now, and let's start with light wash of water, and then I'm going to add pigments. So begin with adding water on your paper. You can use spray bottle, whatever is available. Try to add big circles, like big splatters of water on the paper. Let the pigment flow like a quiet wave. Notice the sound of the brush, the water, and move your hand gently. This is how, after adding lots of splatters, my paper look like. And forgive me for this mistake that I forgot to record the step while I was adding the color. But after adding the color, this is how my paper look like, and I am on my drawing table where I use hair dryer. But then I thought, why don't I just soak the colors on the next page? In this way, I can use the other paper for any other project instead of just waiting for the layers to completely get dry, because I use lots of water and it's definitely not gonna dry for another hour. So here I'm excited. This is how my other paper sheet looks like. The colors are beautiful, bright, and looks amazing. This is your grounding layer, the foundation of calm. In art therapy, repetition tells the nervous system you are safe. Even with single color spread, you can begin to reset your overstimulated mind. Now, once I'm done and the sheet is completely dry, I'm going to trace few more extra circles, big and small, inside the circles I already have. Think of each as a zone of your life, your rest, your relationship, your focus, and your creativity. Kandinsky said, color is a power which directly influences the soul. As you fill each circle, imagine painting a layer of protection, a digital shield, like the ancient blue eye, grounding your peace. Once I have all my circle, I'm just testing some color. As I begin the background with darker hue, notice how the lighter circles start to stand out. This is called positive and negative space. The positive space is part of your artwork that you intentionally created, like your circles, your line, or the mark you have made. The negative space is everything around it. In life, we need both. The positive space is what we give our energy to, work, people, ideas. But negative space, the quiet pause. The stillness in between is where restoration happens. So as you fill in the dark hues, imagine you are creating safe space for calmness to exist around your energy. Let the dark and light balance each other, just like activity and rest, expression and silence. As I start outlining the circle with gold, I notice how connected I feel to this piece. Living here in Bahrain, surrounded by the hues of the sea and sky, the colors feel familiar, comforting. The combination of blue and gold remind me of something deeper, the evil eye, or as we call it here, the nazar. It's a symbol of protection, believed to guard your energy from negativity or exhaustion. When I paint these blue circles, it's not just a design, it's intention. The blue becomes calm, trust, and truth. The gold becomes light, strength, and divine energy. Today, they create balance, just like we are trying to do in this digital world, protecting our peace while staying open to beauty. So as you add gold outlines, think of it as sealing your energy, creating a sacred boundary where your creativity and calm can coexist. As I finished these gold lines, I realized this piece isn't just about color, it's about connection between calm and chaos, light and dark, screen and soul. Now I'm going to begin with color pencil shading, a little bit of charcoal just to add extra depth. Every brush stroke today reminded me that healing isn't always about doing more. Sometimes it's about pausing to notice what's already shining inside you. Here in Bahrain, surrounded by sunlight and sea, I see this art as my reminder to look inward whenever the world feels too loud, to protect my peace, to protect my colors. If this session helped you feel calmer, type detox in the comment and share your anchor color of peace. Last but not the least, thank you so much for connecting with me through comments, messages. It really means a lot to me. Until then, keep your hands creating, your mind resting, and your heart open to the healing hues around you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with one of your friends who really needs this. Take care and keep creating.